What is up, guys? It is Logan from Geeks of the West. How are you all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. I read this awesome news. And listen, this is exactly what I'm trying to spread across on my channel and just get across in general. Gaming is important for the fact that it is entertainment and the fact that technology advancement, whether or not it is something that will change the world directly, it is still important for other technologies that will change the world. Researchers, now let me tell you the title of what it is. Using Minecraft to unboggle the robot mind, which it'll probably be the title of this video now that I think about it, whatever. Researchers are developing a new algorithm that helps robots better plan their actions in complex environments. It's designed to help robots be more useful in the real world, but it's being developed with the help of a virtual world, that of the video game Minecraft. Robots don't intuitively ignore objects and actions that are irrelevant to the task at hand. For example, you are told to go take out the trash, and the trash is in the kitchen. You would know that there is no need to turn on the oven, sink, and microwave or open the refrigerator on the way to taking out the trash. The robot might do all of those things. Scientists call this the state space explosion, an array of choices so large that it boggles the robot mind. And let me just say is look, we see this with technology that we have right now. For example, computer gaming or your computer in general, whether it be Macintosh or Windows, or your cellular device such as your iPhone or your Android. Whatever it is that you have, we experience this. For example, you start watching porn, right? But then you realize, that video is not really one that I want to watch right now, but I'll save it for later. It seems like a nice video. You open a new tab, you open a new tab, you open another tab, because you don't want to leave the page that you got, because you have all this porn right here, and you're like, oh my god, this is so great. No, okay, seriously. If you have a bunch of applications open, like you have 10 tabs open on Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Mozilla Firefox, or even Opera, whatever it is that you use personally, you have all of those tabs open, okay? And then you have a game running in the background, but you clicked the Windows button because you wanted to take a break. However, it's on pause, but it's still running in the background. And then you're listening to music. You have Windows Media Player open, or iTunes open, or just something in general open. And you have a couple Microsoft Word documents open, or you just have a bunch of stuff open. You have your antivirus running in the background. You have anything open. Or, for example, on the Android or iPhone, you have a bunch of apps all running while you're searching the web or trying to watch a YouTube video. The browser's running. Everything is running on your iPhone. And then your computer, your object starts lagging a little bit, or it takes a while for stuff to start loading. That is because the RAM, which is random access memory, which is technically like what the thing, it's not the CPU. The CPU is like the brain of the computer. The motherboard is the entire skeleton. This is my own analogy. CPU is the brain of the computer. The GPU are the eyes of the computer. The motherboard is like the abdomen sort of body of the computer, not the body, the skeleton of the computer that everything connects it to. The computer case is the skin of the computer, the actual body itself, while the RAM is the ability to do work, the energy of the computer, not the power supply, but the will, the motivation, the dot power, the brain power, the heart, even maybe even the heart or whatever. Because listen, you're a marathon runner, you have a really healthy heart, that marathon will be fucking no problem for you. Just no, a mile run will be no problem for you. But you're a fucking fat ass like you eat Doritos all the time, you don't go on a single goddamn run of your life. The most exercise you get is to get up, take a shit, piss, wipe your own ass, and go back to playing video games. That mile will be hard for you, and you won't be very fast, and you'll lag behind. That is the greatest analogy I can come up with. So your RAM is being used so much, being used all at once. There's so many actions going on that the RAM doesn't know how to process it all. So the computer lags a little bit before it can finally get a handle on itself and concentrate on one specific thing, which is the thing that you choose to open and concentrate on with your mouse. And just the thing that you start interacting with the most, the power will start going to that. Meanwhile, running all the other things, so it won't be as efficient. That is kind of like At least from what I understood, what the state space explosion is. There's just so much going on. The computer, the robot itself, doesn't know how to react to it or what to tackle first because it has all of these programs implemented into it and it has the ability to do all of these programs. But what does it do first? And that's a huge problem that computer engineers, not computer engineers, computer scientists, programmers are having a problem with. However, they are using the game Minecraft to help understand this process and maybe create programs that will better prioritize tasks first. Listen, there's no reason to fucking turn on a microwave to go take out the garbage unless you put a hot pocket in, right, before you take out the garbage. You press 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You go out and take the garbage. You come back in. You only have a minute and 30 seconds left or 30 seconds left. Your hot pocket is ready as soon as you walk in the door. Then I guess that would make sense. But if you're just going out to take the fucking trash, there's no reason to open the refrigerator first in order to complete the task of taking out the trash. The reason why they're using Minecraft is because Minecraft has so many elements to it. Like, I know what you're saying. Oh my god, it's just simple. It's just blocks and shit. Well, there's so many things that you can do. You can build a shelter, you can chop down trees, you can mine different blocks in order to accomplish your goal. And you give the robot a goal to build a house out of wood. What does it end up doing? It ends up digging for dirt and not even, turning the logs that it fucking chops down into wood. You start mining for cobblestone. This robot does not know how to prioritize, and it doesn't know which location to go in order to create a solid house. So that is why Minecraft is being used, and it is important. Open sandbox games like Minecraft can be very important for the brain of a computer, for training the brain of a computer. Anyway, this is Geeks of the West signing out. Have a good one, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Peace.